Good afternoon and welcome to Shanda Shout Out. Today we're coming to you from our resource library that we hope and keep our fingers crossed soon will be open and back open to the public for you to come and visit. But if not, you can just give me a phone call here at the office, 336-985-2676, and let me know what you're looking for, and with some precautions and procedures, you'll be able to check that out and have that for 2 weeks, especially on these rainy days. Would be a great addition to your family. So because it's raining yet again, we're going to read the book It's Raining, It's Pouring, and this is by Ken Eagle. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. He bumped his head when he went to bed and couldn't get up in the morning. It's cloudy, it's breezy, the old man is sneezy. He blew so hard that he moved the stars, but of course that wasn't easy. It's snowing, it's blowing, the old man is growing. He ate so much one day for lunch, every part of him was showing. Uh-oh, shirt's too small. It's warm out and sunny, the old man loves honey. He tried to seize a batch from the bees, and they didn't find it funny. Uh-oh. The bees were very mad about him trying to get their honey. It's cool, damp, and chilly. The old man's name is Willie. He tripped and fell in a big old well. Oh my gosh, did he look silly. It's gusty, it's windy. The old man's wife is Cindy. With ants in their pants, they started to dance and ended up doing the Lindy. Whatever the season, cloudy, sunny, breezy, if he's getting to bed without bumping his head, then the old man thinks it's pleasing. The end. Thanks for joining us today on Shanda Shout Out. Check out our Facebook page, or you can visit our website, www.stokespfc.com, for more information about COVID-19 and what's going on here at the partnership. Thanks so much and have a great day.